Hi guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for the Bank of the West online banking account. If you want to view and manage your checking, savings, credit card, loan and investment accounts online, then registering for Bank of the West could be the best decision. The process is pretty safe, simple and secure. Once you have registered for your account, you will receive paperless statements and email notifications for eligible accounts. You can also change your delivery preferences at any time. So if you want to register for Bank of the West online banking account, then just watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop, then tap on it to open. On the search field, search for online.bankofthewest.com. Once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap onto the sign in option that is on the right side of the site. Then you will be directed to the login page of Bank of the West. So if you don't have a username and a password, go and tap onto the sign up for online account access. Then you will land onto the registration page of Bank of the West. So in order to get started, you will have to choose your account type. Then answer some of the following questions. And after that, it informs you that in order to sign up, you will need your debit card number, your debit card PIN or your account number, and a valid email address. So if you acquire all these documents, go and tap and continue. Now you will land onto the account information page where you have to enter your account details. So enter your debit card number in the text field here, then your social security number, enter a valid email address, then in order to confirm retype your email address. Now scroll down and on the terms and conditions, just go and tap on it in order to accept the terms and conditions set by the electronic disclosure. Then tap onto another box in order to agree to the terms and conditions of the online and mobile service agreement. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap and continue. Then you will land onto the Create Credentials page where you have to create a username and a password for your account. Once done, tap and continue. Then follow the prompts and you will have successfully registered for the Bank of the West online banking account. And the next time you want to log into your Bank of the West online banking account, then you can log in using your username and the password that you have set while registering for this account. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.